Hi there, my name is Atishay and I would like to introduce you to Hugo in action. Hugo is the world's fastest static site builder. Don't be confused by the word static. While Hugo specializes in building websites that don't change every minute, you can build as dynamic websites as you want with the Jamstack. The difference in approach of Hugo versus traditional web development is that in Hugo, everything is done ahead of time. That is, when the user requests for the web page, there's no processing needed on the server to generate the HTML and no processing needed in the browser to set up the single page application. All the generation of the HTML is done during deployment and everything is ready to go. Hugo has predefined solutions for common problems faced during website development. It does have a learning curve that needs to be crossed to have fun. Hugo in Action provides a step-by-step guide for navigating the world of Hugo, and as a running example that starts off with a simple command line script and goes on to build a fully functional corporate website. Hugo in Action assumes that its readers are knowledgeable in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and comfortable building simple web pages. Hugo in Action starts off by using Hugo as a content management system, and then goes on to generate our own theme. In the second part of the book, we go on to understand the Jamstack in detail and use the JavaScript and the API layers to create functionality traditionally reserved for dynamic apps. In the end, we have a highly scalable, high performance, low maintenance, and fully customizable website. If you want to know more or grab a copy of Hugo in Action, please see the details below. The future is static.